Okay, I'm just going to cast on the ripple cloth. So to do that, first of all, we make a slip knot with our yarn. So just cross it over like that and then create the loop. And I'm going to put my left hand needle through that and tighten it. Take the right hand needle, and we're only casting on 3 stitches because we're knitting corner to corner. So that slip knot is our first stitch, and then the working yarn is going around the right hand needle, which I have put through that first stitch, around like that over the top, and pull that through, and that creates our second stitch, which I'm going to hook onto my left needle. And then for the third stitch, it's just between the 2 stitches. This is a cable cast on, and wrap the yarn around our bottom needle, our right hand needle, and pull that through again. I'll just try that again, and loop that onto our left needle. Now we have our 3 stitches and we're ready to start our first row. So with this pattern we are increasing until we get to 60 stitches, and then we're decreasing as we go down to the other corner. Okay, so we've got our 3 stitches on the needle, and at the start of every row we slip that first stitch knitwise with our yarn in the front of our work, and this creates a nice edge, which you'll see later on as we knit more of our cloth. So I've got the yarn in front like that, and then I put my needle through and just slip that knitwise, and then the next stitch is our increase stitch. So we take the yarn around to the back for a knit front back. So we're going to go knit into the front of the stitch, and then knit into the back of the stitch like that. And what we've done is increased 1 stitch, and then we're going to knit the last stitch. So now we've got 4 stitches on our needle, and then we turn and we do our next row. So once again I'm going to have the yarn in front, slip that first stitch knitwise, take the yarn around to the back as if to knit, and my next stitch is an increase, so I'm going into the front and then into the back to do the KFB or knit front back, and knit to the end. And now I have 5 stitches on the needle, and we're going to carry on doing that every row until we get to 60 stitches, which is halfway, and then we'll come back.